This is Rain. Today is March 22, Friday. We are on our way to KidZania. Magic Planet, H&M, Zin and DeLuca.
Yo, what's up guys? This is Jeremy. We're at the Avenues. We're at KidZania. Check it out.
We had a 50 KidZos check. So right now we're gonna go inside the bank and get it changed for KidZos money. Yay!
Where do you want to go? You want to work as a firefighter? KidZos? Here you can work as a firefighter.
Hey, welcome to the firefighter.
Good job. Look at all that money right there.
But I got free.
So some of these activities right here, you get paid KidZos, and some of them you have to spend your KidZos. And if you have a passport and you do the activities, you can actually earn more KidZos than the other kids that don't have passports.
You got +2. You got +2 KidZos if you have a passport. And at the same time, if you had 30 stamp, your passport level will gonna level up.
Let me upgrade.
Upgrade that passport, guys. We're over here at Qatar Airways. You know, Privilege Club, right? One world. All right, let's go. Check it out. Land safe.
Landing now. You are at landing successful.
Yay.
You did a great job, so I wish you are future pilots.
All right.
So you want to be captain in the future?
It's 12:20. We arrive actually at 11 o'clock, but KidZania opens at 10. So the best time to come is early morning. It's not crowded. Kids doesn't have to wait that long for the queue for them to get inside whatever activity they want to do. Right now, the kids is they're at the biscuit factory for the flour mill.
Can I see it? Wow, let me see that.
See it.
Jacob and Joshie right here, they're gonna go bottle some water.
The kids is doing the Aquafina bottling plant. Activity, bottling operator. Visitors will be taken through the bottling and quality control process to produce a bottle of water. That's how you know how to make a bottle of water. Daddy, how much did you earn?
You got some water?
Water.
Did you guys make that water? These kids are gonna learn how to make some chocolate.
Right now the kids is at the Kinder Chocolate Factory. So they're gonna be a chocolate maker. Visitors will learn the essence and process of chocolate making to make their own Kinder chocolate.
Can I see what you made?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
You made yours?
Yeah, but I ate it.
You ate it already.
Right now how to nurse and take care of a baby. So they're inside right now. KidZania is a little own world for the kids. They could be a doctor, they could be a firefighter, they could be a dentist, they could be a pharmacist, they could be anything that you think that an adult could be, the kids could be like that too.
They're making a brown color. What color are you making?
Orange.
How do you make orange?
Yellow and red.
You hear that? Yellow and red make orange. I didn't even know that.
Tickling your bored out soul and we'll play pretend
Let me see what you got.
Show Daddy what you got.
Whoa, Jacob.
Orange is better. Orange is better than the mother. The mother is better.
What you got there, Joshi?
Molder.
Whoa.
This is molder color.
Cavity activity. They will learn about oral hygiene process and how to treat tooth cavity. And then root canal. They will learn about oral hygiene process and how to treat a root canal infection. And then braces activity. They will learn how and why braces are fitted and how to clean them. So here's the dental university. So they got this one, Dr. Jacob and Dr. Joshua.
Did you clean the teeth?
Yeah.
Good job. Jacob and Joshua, they're about to go work at the Sultan Center.
Joshi is still young, he is the shopper. Jacob is a little bit older, he is the cashier.
Okay, they're roasted. Out. Put there.
Alright, so to drive a car here, first we had to go get an eye exam, and then we had to go get a driving test, and now we got to go get insurance. And then we're gonna go drive a car. They will learn about basic safety to protect visitors during emergency call around the city. The detective, they will look for clues around the city.
There is one person, they have to get answered, then they have to go to Asnan, near music lounge. After that, they have to come back. Let's go.
We're out of here.
We took it back there, Mommy.
How was it? Did you play?
Ow, it hurts.
Thank you, mister. Look at full over there. You see that? You see that?
Sana ganito kadami pera ko eh.
Look at all that money right there. Wish I had that much money. You guys want to know something else? You see all that money right there? You see that right there? That's what Mama did. She dropped her coffee. Right there. She dropped her coffee.
Starbucks coffee.
That's a Starbucks. There ain't no Starbucks store here where the kids can make their own Starbucks. I had to buy that.